Okay, so for today, I'll be showing you how to paint a mine, part from the Mines, Bombs, and Booby Traps box set. Alright, you will need Scorched Brown, Bestial Brown, Volcano Metal, and Codex Gray for this one. Other types will need other paints. Alright, so we'll start off with Scorched Brown for the dirt. And take some, and there. Place it around the edges of the mine, of the base. And alright, don't forget, there's dirt in between the handles right here, so don't forget those. Now, since we are doing this like this, if we paint this first, we can just like paint the next color over it and not have to worry about it. So, let's just leave it there. Now, don't feel bad if you mess up, because it's painting, you can always just paint over it. So, some right there between the rocks, and some right here, dirt on the mine itself. Okay. Oh, dang it. Alright, let's see. Okay. Just, wash off your paintbrush because we're going to be switching paints. Okay. And I usually have a... What? Alright, so, so I always use a cup of water. Josh, fine, use it. Okay, I always use a cup of water. Don't use like a very nice cup or anything. Just something plastic, something that can be thrown away, because you'll probably end up staining the bottom. I've used one cup for a very long time, and the bottom stained. All right, so let's take our bolt gun metal. Oh, geez, that was hard. All right, and let's take the larger brush we have and start painting. You know what? Scratch that. Twitch detail on it. Let's switch to the medium. Okay. Alright. Right here. I usually like to start on the edges of the mine. It doesn't really matter though. So start anywhere, whatever feels right. And like I said earlier, just gonna paint right over this right here. And don't forget these sides, because sides, even though they may not be like directly seen, it's still important. Try not to paint over the dirt, but if you do, just paint back over it with Scorched Brown. Okay, just note the edges. Alright, now the top. Okay. There. Okay, right in there. And like I said earlier, don't forget to get the sides, because if you forget the sides, it'll just kind of look weird, because it's like gray and the rest is a different color. Okay, now that you're, wait, don't forget the handle either. This might be kind of hard just because it goes in, it's got a lot of edges, but nothing we can't handle. Alright, edges. And there. Okay, now, one more thing. You can use